The letter V makes the sound V. Put your teeth on your lower lip and buzz the sound. V, V, V. Very good. Let's read some V words together. V, an, van. V, at, that. V, et, vet. V, im, vim. Now read with me. Van, that, vet, vim. Now let's read two words together. Van, vim. Vet, that. Well done! You're reading smoothly.